Today we have a 2015 Ford Edge Sport, one owner, 32,000 miles. Comes with a 30-day dealership warranty. Go ahead and walk around and have a look. First thing you'll notice about the front, it does have a nice darked out grille. It has the tinted smoke look headlights there. And if you look under the Ford emblem, you'll see it actually has a front mounted camera to help you assist in parking in tight spots and whatnot. Also has the sensors on the front bumper. This is the Sport model like I had mentioned, so you will notice it does have the big 21-inch darkened alloy wheels on there with Scorpion tires. About 3/4 tread on the tires. Has some nice integrated signals on the mirrors. And the color of this thing is real sharp. It's a bronze metallic. You notice inside it has the leather seating with the suede inserts. And it is black on black in there. And same in the back. You'll notice down by the console there are 2 power sources down there. It does have heated rear seating. See the back tires and wheels there. Matching rubber all the way around. Come around the back, you will notice it has rear wiper, rear defrost. Also has rear facing backup camera underneath your emblem here. And it has the backup sensors on the back bumper. Also has the dual chrome exhaust tips on there. Get that for the Sport model package. And you will see your emblems, Edge, and of course the Sport and the EcoBoost all-wheel drive. That's how the automatic lift gate. And you'll see in there it's very clean inside. Actually pretty spacious here in the back too for your cargo and stuff. And underneath there you'll notice the spare tire, and down under the spare tire is your jack and your tools. You will see on the door it does have a keyless entry. And it does have the panoramic roof like the Edges mostly have. And you'll see the fin on the back there, that is your satellite radio. Show you the inside here a little. You'll see on the driver's door you have your power locks, power windows, power mirrors. It does have memory seating. There's 3 different positions you can set your seat, and just push that button and it'll take it back to your setting that you have it programmed for. And your steering wheel, you have your cruise control, you have your voice activation, your cell phone, your radio controls. And if you notice, it also has the paddle shifters to up or down shift if you choose to shift manually. Go ahead and start this up and show you some of the gauges in here. You'll notice the mileage is, get it up here for you, 33,003 miles currently. And there is your main screen for your Sirius satellite radio, for your heated and air conditioned front seats. You can go in there and adjust all your settings. You can sync your devices up through there. Scroll down through here a little bit and show you the heated and air conditioned seat buttons here, and your air conditioning and heater controls, and your electronic parking brake, cup holders, and you do have a rather large cubby space here. And there is power source in there. This is a very, very clean vehicle inside and out. There's no odor in here, no tears, no rips or anything in the upholstery. You'll notice it has the parking assist. Some people that don't like the parallel park, this would be a big help to you. Just push that button and line yourself up where you want to go and it'll actually park for you. We are going to take you out under the hood, give you a look at the engine bay. You'll notice it's also nice and clean under there. And this particular Edge, it has the EcoBoost 2.7 liter V6 engine. Gives you pretty good horsepower. Also pretty good fuel economy, actually. Used to be that if you wanted power, you needed bigger displacement, and then of course that hurt your fuel economy, but a lot of these turbo engines and stuff nowadays, you don't need all that displacement. Smaller displacement usually equals better fuel economy. Last thing I'm going to do here on this video, we're going to walk around here and see if we can point out any blemishes on this vehicle. And start out by showing you there is a stone chip right on the point of the hood. It's by the driver's side headlight. And that is about the only mark I see on the entire vehicle. Like I mentioned, it is super clean inside and out. If you're looking for an Edge, this would definitely be a nice one you might want to come out and take a look at. Maybe even set up a test drive. You could give us a call, 717-485-4224. One of our salespeople would be glad to set that up for you. Or you can look us up on our website, www.thomasata.com. Thank you.